Catholic High School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Catholic High School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section A. Question 1. In which of the following numbers does the digit 7 have the greatest value? The 7 in 27,386 will be in the thousand place. The 7 in 28,673 will be in the 10 place. The 7 in 62,738 will be in the hundred place. The 7 in 68,827 will be in the one place. The digit 7 have the greatest value in 27,386. The answer is 1. Question 2. Which of the following numbers is 20 tens more than 8,530? The value of 20 tens will be multiply 20 by 10, and the product is 200. The value of 20 tens more than 8,530 will be add 200 to 8,530, and the sum is 8,730. The answer is 4. Question 3. Which of the following numbers, when rounded to the nearest thousand, becomes 29,000? Round 28,450 to nearest thousand will be 28,000. Round 28,045 to nearest thousand will be 28,000. Round 29,045 to nearest thousand will be 29,000. Round 29,540 to nearest thousand will be 30,000. The answer is 3. Question 4. Look at the number line below. The number line is marked at equal intervals. What is the value of x? There are 5 intervals between 75,000 to 85,000. Each interval will be divide 10,000 by 5, and the quotient is 2,000. There are 3 intervals from 75,000. 3 intervals will be multiply 2,000 by 3, and the product is 6,000. The value of x will be add 75,000 to 6,000, and the sum is 81,000. The answer is 3. Question 5. What is the missing number? 7 10,000s plus 3 hundreds plus 2 ones equal to 7 10,000s plus 3 hundreds plus 2 ones equal to 7 0 3 0 2. The answer is 4. Question 6. Which of the following is not a common factor of 42 and 48? The factor of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 24, and 42. The factor of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. The factor that are not common of 42 and 48 are 4, 7, 8, 12, 14, 16, 42, and 48. The answer is 4. Question 7. Which of the following is another way to name angle A? The first and third letters indicate points on the two rays. The letter in the middle is the vertex. Angle A is at the vertex point. Angle A can also be named as angle MLK. The answer is 2. Question 8. In the figure below, ABCD is a rectangle. Find angle Z. Angle ABC is a right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. Angle Z will be equal to subtract 90 degrees from 25 degrees, and the difference is 65 degrees. The answer is 3. Question 9. 3/4 of a complete turn is blank degrees. A 1/4 turn is 90 degrees. A 3/4 turn will be multiply 3 by 90 degrees, and the product is 270 degrees. The answer is 4. Question 10. Which one of the following letters have more than one line of symmetry? The letter with more than one line of symmetry is H. The answer is 2. Question 11. I am a multiple of 6. One of my factors is 8. I am greater than 10. What number am I? The multiple of 6 greater than 10 will be 12, 18, 24, 30, and more. The factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factor of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The number is 24. The answer is 3. Question 12. Find the quotient 3152 divided by 5. The quotient 3152 divided by 5 is 630, remainder 2. The answer is 1. Question 13. Look at the 8-point compass below. Samuel is standing at point A. When Samuel turns 135 degrees in an anticlockwise direction, he will be facing the MRT station. Where was he facing at first? The angle between each interval is 45 degrees. Samuel is facing the MRT station, and if he turns 135 degrees clockwise, he will need to turn 3 interval, and he will be facing the toilet. The answer is 1. Question 14. Which of these following figures are symmetrical? The figures that are symmetrical are A and D. The answer is 3. Question 15. Which of the following lines is the line of symmetry for figure shown below? The line of symmetry for the figure is line CD. The answer is 2. Question 16. A factory produced 1,620 toy cars. It produced 150 fewer toy trucks than toy cars. How many toy trucks did the factory produce? The number of toy trunks produced will be subtract 1,620 from 150, and the difference is 1,470. The answer is 1. Question 17. There are two traffic lights A and B at different junctions. Traffic light A and traffic light B turn red at every 3 minutes and 5 minutes respectively. The traffic lights are set to start at 10 a.m. At what time will both traffic lights turn red at the same time? Traffic A will turn red at 3 minutes interval. It will turn red at 10:03 a.m., 10:06 a.m., 10:09 a.m., 10:12 a.m., and 10:15 a.m. Traffic B will turn red at 5 minutes interval. It will turn red at 10:05 a.m., 10:10 a.m., and 10:15 a.m. Both traffic lights will turn red at 10:15 a.m. The answer is 4. Question 18. 6 pupils paid a total of $7,044 for a trip. Each pupil paid an equal amount. How much did each pupil pay for the trip? The amount each pupil paid will be divide 7,044 by 6, and the quotient is 1174. The answer is 2. Question 19. There are 138 pupils. Miss Nurul gave 15 cubes to each pupil, and had 4 cubes left. How many cubes did she have at first? The total amount of cubes Miss Nurul gave to her pupils will be multiply 138 by 15, and the product is 2070. The amount of cubes she had at first will be add 2070 to 4, and the sum is 2074. The answer is 4. Question 20. Shirley and Alan have a total of $4,260. Shirley has twice as much money as Alan. How much money must Shirley give to Alan, so that they will have the same amount of money? Let the amount of money Alan has as 1 unit. Shirley has twice as much money as Alan. Therefore Shirley will have 2 units of money. 3 units of money is equal to $4,260. 1 unit of money will be divide $4,260 by 3, and the quotient is $1,420. The amount of money Shirley need to give to Alan will be divide $1,420 by 2, and the quotient is $710. Each of them will have $2,130. The answer is 1. Catholic High School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section B. Question 20. Write 13,402 in numerals. $13,402 in numerals will be 1, 3, 4, 0, 2. Question 22. What is the missing number in the following pattern? 15,536, 14,036, 12,536, 11,036. Missing number 8,036, 6,536. Let us find the difference between the numbers. Difference between 15,536 and 14,036 will be, subtract 15,536 from 14,036, and the difference is 1,500. Difference between 14,036 and 12,536 will be, subtract 14,036 from 12,536, and the difference is 1,500. Difference between 12,536 and 11,036 will be, subtract 12,536 from 11,036, and the difference is 1,500. The difference between the number is 1,500. The missing number will be, subtract 11,036 from 1,500, and the difference is 9,536. Let counter check on the answer. Difference between 9,536 and 8,036 will be, subtract 9,536 from 8,036, and the difference is 1,500. The missing number is 9,536. Question 23. What is the smallest 5-digit odd number that can be formed using the digits 4, 1, 7, 6, and 9? Each digit can be used once. There are three odds number 1, 7, and 9. The smallest will be used in the 10,000 place, and greatest for the 1 place. The smallest number will be used in the 10,000 place, is 1. The next smallest number will be used in the 1,000 place, is 4. The next smallest number will be used in the 100 place, is 6. The next smallest number will be used in the 10 place, is 7. The next smallest number will be used in the 1 place, is 9. The answer is 14,679. Question 24. Which of the following numbers has 3 as a factor? 13, 18, 32, 45. The factor for 13 will be 1 and 13. The factor for 18 will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The factor for 32 will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. The factor for 45 will be 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. The answer is 18 and 45. Question 25. List the 2 common multiples of 4 and 8 that are between 20 and 40. The multiple of 4 will be 24, 28, 32, and 36. The multiple of 8 will be 24 and 32. The 2 common multiple are 24 and 32. Question 26. Use a protractor to measure angle A. Write the answer in the answer blank. The measurement from the protractor is 25 degrees. Question 27. Draw, and label a line BC, such that angle ABC is 75 degrees. Using the protractor to measure 75 degrees. The angle ABC is shown in the diagram. The other half of the square is shown in red. The other half of the square is shown in red. Question 29. Find the product of 2527 by 9. The product of 2527 by 9 is 22,743. Question 30. Study the figures drawn in the square grid below. Each statement below is true, false, or not possible to tell, from the information given. For each statement, put a tick in the correct column. The line AB, and EF, is a straight line when joined together. EF is perpendicular to EH. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to EH. The statement AB is perpendicular to EH is true. Figure ABCD is a rectangle, and EFGH is a square. For rectangle ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. For square EFGH, EF is parallel to GH, EH is parallel to FG. Both figures have two pairs of parallel sides. The statement, both figure ABCD, and figure EFGH, has one pair of parallel sides, is false. Question 31. The side of square A measures 8 cm. One side of square B is 2 times as long as one side of square A. Find the perimeter of square B. One side of square B will be multiply 8 cm by 2, and the product is 16 cm. The perimeter of square B will be multiply 16 cm by 4, and the product is 64 cm. The perimeter of square B is 64 cm. Question 32. There are 282 rows of chairs in the concert hall. Each row has 14 chairs. How many chairs are there altogether? The total number of chairs will be multiply 282 by 14, and the product is 3,942. There are 3,942 chairs altogether. Question 33. AB is a line of symmetry. How many more squares need to be shaded to form a symmetrical figure? Two more squares will need to be shaded to form a symmetrical figure. The two additional shaded squares are shown as above. Question 34. The following grid shows the position of A, B, C, D, and E. Which letter is northwest of A? Facing direction north, northwest direction will be 45 degrees to the left from north. The letter will be E. Question 35. Pauline saved $130. Ali saved 3 times as much as Pauline. Karen saved 2 times as much as Ali. How much did they save altogether? Let the amount of money Pauline saved as 1 unit of money. Pauline saved 1 unit of money. Ali saved 3 times as much as Pauline, which is 3 units of money. Karen saved 2 times as much as Ali, which is 6 units of money. In total they saved 10 units of money. The total amount of money that they saved will be, multiply 10 units by $130, and the product is $1,300. They saved $1,300 altogether. Question 36. The figure below is made up of rectangle BCDE and square ABFG. What is the length of rectangle BCDE? ABFG is a square. The length of the side is equal to AB, which is equal to BF, and equal to FG, and equal to AG, and equal to 4 cm. The length BE will be add BF to FE, which is equal to add 4 cm to 12 cm, and the sum is 16 cm. The length of rectangle BCDE is equal to BE, which is equal to CD, and is equal to 16 cm. The length is 16 cm. Question 37. The mass of one cookbook is thrice as heavy as one magazine. One cookbook and 4 magazines weight 5,257 grams. Find the mass of one magazine. Let the mass for one magazine be 1 unit. The total mass for one cookbook and 4 magazines will be, add 3 units to 4 units, and the sum is 7 units. 7 units is equal to 5,257 grams. 1 unit will be, divide 5,257 by 7, and the quotient is 751. The mass for one magazine is 751 grams. Question 38. Mrs. Tan wants to buy 3,700 pencils. The pencils are sold in packets of 8. What is the least number of packets of pencils she should buy? The number of packets to be purchased will be, divide 3,700 by 8, and the quotient is 462. Remainder 4. Mrs. Tan will need to buy 1 more packet for the remaining 4 pencils. In total, the number of packets she will need to buy will be, add 462 to 1, and the sum is 463. Mrs. Tan will need to buy at least 463 packets of pencils. Question 39. Jane had the same number of stickers as Angie. After Angie bought 20 more stickers, and Jane gave away 20 stickers. Jane had 46 stickers now. How many stickers does Angie have now? The amount of stickers Jane has at first will be, add 46 to 20, and the sum is 66. Jane and Angie had same amount of stickers at first. The amount of stickers after Angie bought 20 more stickers will be, add 66 to 20, and the sum is 86. Angie has 86 stickers now. Question 40. The following grid shows the position of L, M, N, P, and Q. James started at a certain position. He walked 3 steps to the north, 2 steps to the west, and 1 step to the south. He ended at position N. What was his starting position? We shall do backtrack to where James started at first. He ended at position N. We will need to move 1 step north, 2 steps east, and 3 steps south. His starting point was at position L. Catholic High School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section C. Question 41. Amanda bought 9 boxes of pencils. Each box contained an equal number of pencils. She gave 12 pencils to each for her 40 pupils, and had 6 pencils left. How many pencils were there in each box? The amount of pencils Amanda gave to her pupils will be, multiply 40 by 12, and the product is 480. Add the total amount of pencils Amanda gave to her pupils, to the leftover pencils will be, add 480 to 6, and the sum is 486. The amount of pencils in each box will be, divide 486 by 9, and the quotient is 54. There were 54 pencils in each box. Question 42. Mary had 1,984 erasers. She donated 256 erasers, and packed the rest of the erasers equally into boxes of 8. She sold all the boxes at $5 each. How much money did Mary receive? The number of erasers left after donation will be, subtract 1,984 from 256, and the difference is 1,728. The number of boxes of erasers will be, divide 1,728 by 8, and the quotient is 216. The amount of money received will be, multiply 216 by 5, and the product is 1,080. Mary received a total of $1,080. Question 43. Jennifer bought 5 identical skirts, and 2 identical dresses for $223. Each dress cost $24 more than a skirt. Find the cost of one skirt. Let us take one piece of skirt, as 1 unit. The cost of one dress will be, 1 unit, plus $24. The cost of 2 dresses will be, add 1 unit, plus $24, to 1 unit, plus $24, and the sum is 2 units, plus $48. The total units for 5 skirts and 2 dresses will be, add 5 units, to 2 units, plus $48, and the sum is 7 units plus $48. 7 units, plus $48, is equal to $223. 7 units will be, subtract $223 from $48, and the difference is $175. 1 unit will be, divide $175 by 7, and the quotient is $25. The cost of one skirt is $25. Question 44. Shirley has less than 35 cookies. When she packs the cookies in groups of 6, she will have 5 extra cookies. When she packs the cookies in group of 5, she will have 4 extra cookies. How many cookies does Shirley have? In the group of 6, the cookies will be charted in the multiple of 6. We will add in the remainder 5 cookies, to the multiple to get the number of cookies at first. In the group of 5, the cookies will be charted in the multiple of 5. We will add in the remainder 4 cookies, to the multiple to get the number of cookies at first. From the chart, after adding back the remainder cookies to the groups, the number of cookies in common will be 29. Shirley has 29 cookies at first. Question 45. Alexi, Bella, and Clement have a total of 1,416 stamps. Bella has 70 more stamps than Alexi. Clement has 2 times the total number of stamps Alexi and Bella have. How many stamps does Alexi have? Bella has 70 stamps more than Alexi. Clement has 2 times the total number of stamps Alexi and Bella have. The total number of stamps that they have in units will be 6 units, plus 210. 6 units, plus 210 is equal to 1,416. 6 units will be subtract 1416 from 210, and the difference is 1206. 1 unit will be divide 1206 by 6, and the quotient is 201. Alexi has 201 stamps. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.